Beautiful tech boys, we've got two new products in from Emporia. Well, actually one, but two different flavours in colour. It's the new WATCHjoy. And these look really nice indeed. I'm going to run you around 70 quid, which is not bad at all. And that's it there. You've got a AMOLED display technology. You've 1.4 inch screen, 466 by 466 pixels, 380 milliamp battery, 30 days standby and runtime of 5 to 10 days, depending on what you have got going to it. Like, everyone does tend to run stuff different on the watches, like be it whatever's going to it, like notifications wise. And having a watch keeps you off your phone, I find. Like, I've about 15 different watches, and now we're moving on to these. And one's for myself and one is for my good old man. So you've got flash memory 128 megabytes. You can use these on Android and iOS. The app is the FitCloud Pro, which I'm quite familiar with, and put that back that way. And you've got lots of options on it, you know, to put on sports buoys and all that kind of stuff, and running, cycling, walking, all that kind of gear. It'll be on, of course, your notifications as well. And you can search for your phone if you lose it, notifications for calls and messages, and do not disturb on this Bluetooth 5.0. So that's basically just the rundown on the specs. So we're just doing a quick unboxing for you today. Take them away for a week or two and check them out. But let's have a look at them first, I guess. We'll start with this, and inside we get a little booklet. FitCloud Pro app, pretty familiar with that, how it works. I've used it many times. And you get your cable, which is the usual proprietary cable. And here is the watch. Just want to take that off. And you'll have one on the back as well. That's it there. I really like the finish on this. It looks really nice. You've got arm releases here for strap changing. You see all the usual bits on the back. And the screen there. There is a small bezel on the screen if you can see it, which doesn't matter. Just want to see if there's any juice inside. And give it a quick press. And there doesn't appear to be any battery, but that's here and there. We'll be going through everything when we get it up and running with the app. Samples of a ring and samples of the mic and all that kind of stuff. So obviously with our watches, and basically what you're going to get for this. But I do like, even alone, that face there on this one. So looks exciting, and that's just it. Pretty nice finish as well. You can see our speaker here on the side, and basically that's it. This looks quite familiar, doesn't it? But it's nice, and you got a pusher here and a mic there, so, and that's pretty much it. So let's pop that one aside and take out this one, and we'll get one of them charged for the time being. So we get Motrin, and that's the black guy. Again, everything is the same. See on the back, the sides. Looks really well. It's got a really nice finish, I have to say. Very impressed with that. And nice straps as well, with two of these guys to hold it on. Hey, do you know when you wear the watch and one falls down or falls off and it's sticking out? That won't be the case here. So that's the two of them there, side by side. It's up to you which one you want to pick on colour wise, but I'm sold on this one for the moment. Basically because I'm looking at that watch face, but we'll see when we get them both set up and see how they look then. But that's what they look like in the flesh there anyway, and what they look like. Really nice finish, and they're going to run you around 70 quid, and they're packed with features. So pretty excited to test these out, but stay tuned for the full review soon. Any questions, of course, drop them below. We'll see you then, and we'll talk to you in a week or two, probably 2 weeks, to give it a fair run as you normally do. And that's it, just to give you an idea of both flavours and how they look and what to expect there live in the hand. Now, for just a quick example, that's the Pixel Watch 3 I'm using. So it's kind of a similar kind of size there. And yeah, just to give you kind of an idea, that's the 45mm. And that's really about it for the moment. And just the side by side again. 2 flavours of colour, which is really nice to see at launch. And that's it. Yeah, so see you in the full review soon. Stay tuned. Any questions, pop them below. We'll see you then.